My name is James Nganga, a boda rider from Ruaka. The benefit of the loan, you can be able to manage to get more money than a petrol boda.
I'm Julius Musioki, currently working at Rome, mainline production. The EV bike is very easy to maintain because it doesn't have many mechanical things. I think each bike, it has a lot of spare parts. The more the parts, the more the cost to maintain it. And then when it comes to boda, it has a profit. If you compare each bike, 80 kilometer, you use like 400 to 500 Kenyan shilling to buy the petrol. But when it comes to the EV, you use one battery to go 80 kilometer, so that's an advantage, and you'll make more money than comparing with the engine bike.